people, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, this is Sakshi and this is my YouTube channel. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, hauls, challenges and basically all of the fun stuff. If you like what you see so far, you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, like, share, comment, basically anything and everything you like. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into the video.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels.
So a few days ago, I asked you guys on my Instagram whether you guys want to see a haul, and you guys said yes to it. So here it is. I went to Linking Road, Colaba and Hill Road and shopped a few items which are in this bag. I'm gonna show you everything what's in it. So let's get started. So in no particular order, I'm gonna start this haul by grabbing the things which come first in my hand. So yeah. So the first thing is this neck piece. It's beautiful. It has 3 layers. The first one with a heart and the second one with a circle and then a shell. I got it from Colaba for 90 rupees. He was quoting 150 rupees but I managed to get it for 90. So yeah. That I got this belt. It has this buckle and that's why I got it. It's a basic brown belt. I got it for 150 rupees I guess. He was quoting something more than this but I bargained and I got it for 150 rupees. The next thing is I got this bum bag. I got it from Hill Road. I got it for 250 rupees. He was not ready to bargain at all but I wanted it so I got it. He had this in 3 colors. Red, yellow and green. I went with the green one. It has this chain and inside it has another chain if you can see. So it has basically 2 chain. It's nice quality. I love the material and even it has buckles so you can adjust it according to your waist. So yeah. Another things are these glares. These are hexagon shaped glares. I got them for 180 rupees. And he was quoting something more than this but I bargained and managed to get it for 180 rupees. I got it from Colaba again. After that I got this t-shirt dress from Linking Road. It is in off-white color. It is plain, nothing fancy but I like it. I like how it looks. It's long and goes right below your knees. I will be doing a try-on haul after this video so you can see there. You can wear it with a belt or a bum bag and it looks really good. I got it for 300 rupees. He was not ready to bargain so yeah. I got this black denim jacket for 350 rupees from Linking Road again. The tag is still on it. I haven't tried it yet but I love it. It is a plain black denim jacket from Linking Road for 350 rupees. Then I got these balloons and I don't know what they call it but these are really baggy and I like how they look. It has this Nara thing going on and it looks really nice. I got this for 350 again from Linking Road. Yeah. After that I got these leggings from Linking Road. You can get these from anywhere. Like everybody on Linking Road is selling these for 200. They are not ready to bargain. Everybody is selling it at 200. And you can find this everywhere. Kidhar bhi jao ye milega hi milega. So yeah, these are blue colors and these have these stripes going on. They have many variety in this. बहुत सारा variety है. White, grey, black, कोई भी color मांग लो सब रहता है उनके पास. So yeah, I got the blue one. After that I got this plain white t-shirt again from Linking Road for 200 rupees I guess. Yeah. This is a plain white t-shirt with a black ribbon going on. So yeah. After that, I got black jeans from Linking Road again for I guess 400 rupees. So this is how it looks. It was a plain black jeans and I got it ripped by plain jeans, and then tell him to cut it as you want. And they pretty much every shopkeeper does this, like you buy plain jeans and then show him the design or tell him where you want the cut and he'll do it for you. Or usually people don't charge for that, but some people do. So if they charge you, don't pay them, because some people do it for free too. Got it for 400 rupees from Linking Road. After that I got this cord set from Colaba again. I got it for 500 rupees. Yeah. So this is the top. It has pads with it, which is really sturdy, so that's a plus point. Apart from that, it has this tie-on thing going on. So this is how it looks. The top, and the pant are the basic flary pants that you have. These are really long for me, so if you are longer than me, then this will work for you. Yeah, 500 rupees from Colaba. And the last thing I got is a dangri. I don't know if you call this a dangri, but it does not have pants, but instead it has a skirt. So this is how it looks. I love the color, I love the material. I got it for 400 rupees from Colaba again. He was quoting something more than this, but I bargained and managed to get it for 400. This is how it looks. It goes right below your knees, and yeah, you can pair a white or a black plain t-shirt inside it and you are good to go. This I got some shoes. I am going for a trek now, so I got these trekking shoes. These are not from Colaba, not from Hill Road, not King Road. I got this from Goregaon somewhere, but I thought I'd show it to you guys. So these are how they look. This is the gray. So that's that. Apart from that, what did I get? Yeah, I got these beauties or bellies, whatever you call it. I got these for 250 rupees from Linking Road. This is how they look. I love the tan color. Yeah. Then I got some of my lingerie from King Road. There's this shop where I get all of my lingerie from. So these are the lingerie that I got. Then apart from that, I got these 3 books from Colaba. I got them for 400 rupees. These are really cheap. Like, I can see the MRP of one book is 800, but I got all of the 3 for 400. I bargained, I agree. But so yeah, if you want cheap books, you can go there. There's this only one shop in Colaba, and he sells books and they're really cheap. There were a lot of popular and new books. So if you want, you can visit there. So yeah, that's all. That's pretty much that I got. I hope I covered everything. If I've left something, I'll mention in the description below. All the prices and the details will be mentioned in the description below. If you want to buy, you can check it out. So yeah, that was pretty much for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you have any other video recommendations, do mention in the comments below, or you can ping me on my Instagram. As I told you guys before, that I was going for a trek in a few days. Do you guys want me to do a pack with me video or anything of that sort? Do let me know. I would love to do that. Yeah. With that being said, I see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye. Road Fashion Street. Yeah. I take you guys